Hello, I hope everything is going fine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create PayPal merchant ID, secret key, and client ID that will be used for a payment gateway in the WooCommerce. As in the recent update of the WooCommerce, it requires us to have these API keys instead of PayPal API username, API password, and a signature. So that's why I am making this video for my clients and for YouTube viewers as well, so they can take help from this video while creating API keys. So this is an additional step. This one do not do to need to do by yourself. Let me pause this video because this is just my step. Okay. So as you can see in WooCommerce settings payments, and now it's requiring us to connect PayPal account, or if we are going to accept payments using PayPal, or else it asking to provide these API keys, and once we will put these API keys, then we will the payment gateway will be set up like PayPal that we are going to use now. Here I have my email address, which is usmansar38. Will be used this one. Merchant ID, live client ID, and live secret key. These API keys we do not have, so we will need to get these API keys. So to get these one, first of all, we will go. Let's go incognito mode. We will open Google. Google. We can open Google. Okay, as you can see, Google. I will write PayPal. To create these PayPal API keys, you must have a PayPal business account, and then you will be able to create these API keys. I already have PayPal API key, business account, that's why I'm doing this. Once you are here, just click on the first link and log into your PayPal account. This will require your email and password as well. I'm not going to enter this information now because I have already a login screen where I am already logged in. This is once you will be logged into your website, your PayPal account, you will see something like this one. And to create merch, first of all, we will get merchant ID that will be here, account settings, and then I will have to go into here business information. Here I will get merchant ID. You can see business information. This is business account and the PayPal merchant ID. This one. You can get this one. You can copy this and send to me, or you can use on your own website. Now we will go for the other thing, which is client ID and secret key. Click on the developer that is available here. After that, once you are in this page, click on this one, business dashboard. If you are already not logged in, then you will need to log in to access this page. And you can see this, the developer.paypal.com. You can come to this link and log in. I will click on business dashboard. That will open a new tab, and no, this one. No, sorry. I will click on here dashboard. Click on that and wait for the screen. Okay, now here you can see there are two things, one is sandbox and one is live. If you want to test payments on your website before going it live, then you can click on create, then keep it same sandbox, and create API app. But in our case we need live API keys, so for viewers I will also do sandbox. Click on create app. You will need to write the name of your website or your business. I will write here okay. I will write here WordPress website and account type merchant and platform. I will accept payments as merchant, and business account. This is an test business email that is provided by the PayPal automatically. We cannot change it. And after that, just click on create API app, and you will get API client ID and client secret key that you can send to me, or you can use for your own information. I will go back and will create. I will because I will have to create live API keys that will be used on our website for your project. Click on live, and then uh, as you can see, I already have created my Calendly. This is my booking system that I have already created. So for you, I will create a new app. Click create new app. Write here your business name. Again, I will type WordPress website and click on create app. You will get here client ID and client secret key. Okay, here you can see PayPal account. Here is the email. You need to send me this email, PayPal email, then client ID, and if you will click on show, it will show you secret key as well. Just need copy these and send me, and that will be used on your project for connecting PayPal gateway on website. If you want to add a webhook, you can also do that. This is for written. Okay, now there is one more thing. Let's keep finish this one. I will create a new video for the next to create a PayPal API username, password, and signature that is used on some old versions of the website.